Okay.
Contemplating all of my goals. Look, will I fold or will I chase them? I got adversity, two options. I can handle it purposefully or I can let it murder me. But sign up for war, point out the target, show me the giants. Hold your applause, just getting started, sending the lions. Ambition ain't for the weak, I see it before I speak. Ready and willing, is you ready
but
for
I'll
me?
Find a way, with or without your end. Oh, you try to make me stay. Now there's nothing you can say, cause I'll find a way. With or without my sails. Oh, you try to make me stay. Now there's nothing you can say, but I'll find a way.
Now I ain't looking for handouts, I'm looking to stand out. Got the vision coming, watch how it pans out. I've been writing my plans down, trying to stay focused, put out the notice. Who the GOAT is, me hands down. Yeah, no time for arguments. I cut out the politics, no. It's all my competence. I could cause your apocalypse. Ambition, it ain't for the weak. Get it even when I sleep. Ready and willing, what you ready to
But
see.
I'll find a way, with or without your aid. Oh, you try to make me stay. No, there's nothing you can say, 'cause I'll find a way, with or without my sails. Oh, you try to make me stay. No, there's nothing you can say, but I'll find a way.
Ambition ain't for the weak. I see it before I speak. Ready and willing, is you ready for me?
Oh, you try to make me stay. No, there's nothing you can say, 'cause I'll find a way.
Yep.